This is what it looks like inside of a water heater. "17 years old." Anode rod is completely gone.